How to see deleted Snapchat messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to see deleted Snapchat messages. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to understand the Snapchat design, Snapchat automatically deletes messages after they are viewed or after 24 hours in chat. And once deleted, Snapchat does not officially allow you to recover them. And with that, what you can do is you can just check the chat backups. So here, if you use screenshot or third party apps, then you might have a record of message, but Snapchat itself does not keep deleted messages in any official storage. And with that, on Android, some deleted messages may still appear in the notification history, but only if notification were enabled. And with that, to tell you upfrontly, Snapchat does not allow you to recover the deleted messages. So here, if the message was deleted, then the only guaranteed way to see is to ask the person who sent it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.